Directress, Sister Almida Sermion, School Principal, Mrs. Virginia Real, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, my fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the graduating ceremony of kindergarten school year 2024 to 2025. I am Amari Himaya Makili Kabasag. And on behalf of my classmates and friends, we welcome you all to this memorable event in our lives, our stepping stone to a greater journey ahead of us. My experiences here will always hold a special place in my heart. The laughter, the excitement of performing, and the joy of discovering new things. These moments are priceless and will always bring warmth to my heart. I would like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to my classmates who gave me company and friendship, to my dependable teacher, Sister Karen Adyungan, for always being there to teach me, guide me, and appreciate me when it's due. And most especially to my parents and families, who are my top cheerers, very loving and supportive, just to give me the best things and experiences. And of course, most importantly, to our God for giving me wisdom, strength, and a happy heart. I hope we shall all have a more meaningful, playful, and wonderful school year ahead, and just enjoy one moment at a time. Thank you very much, and God bless us all. Congratulations, graduates.